Here in today's video, I'm going to share with you some lovely Amazon KDP keywords that are profitable. They are low competition, they're high demand. I'm going to share these keywords with you using the 4 free Chrome extensions that we have previously talked about to analyze the profitability of each of the keywords discussed in this video, as well as other videos on this channel. So there will be a link to a video in the description box below this video talking about the 4 Chrome extensions that I'm using. They're all free, and I'm going to go step by step with you on how you can use them correctly and research your own Amazon KDP profitable keywords. So let's get started with the first keyword for the day. And just before we get started, I'd like to remind you to if you are finding these videos helpful, daily videos where we discuss Amazon KDP profitable keywords, please subscribe to the channel, click on the bell icon in order to be informed on all our new videos. Now let's get started with the first keyword for the day. And the first keyword for the day is unicorn dot markers activity book for kids ages 8 to 12, and it has a total result of 149, which is less than the 1000, which is ideal. Also, the average bestseller rank is sitting below 300,000, which averages 152,257. The average reviews are 2,466, and the average reviews are the average price is $7.30. We also have a keyword niche score given by Amazon Scout Pro Chrome extension, which gives us a number 9, categorizing this keyword as a great niche. Now, number 9 is the highest that Amazon Scout Pro Chrome extension can give us. Also, because of the profitability metrics, they all check the boxes in terms of data given by supplement publishing titans. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to ignore the number 23, the keyword niche score of 23 given by sub-publishing titans, because it does not match these beautiful data right here. Total results below 1,000, average bestseller rank below 300,000, and also I'd rather stick with the number 9 given by Amazon Scout Pro. Beautifully complements and matches this data right here. Unicorn dot markers activity book for kids ages 8 to 12. What you'll be doing is you are going to be creating preferably a large print book, 8.5 times 11 inches, where it contains illustrations or coloring sheets of unicorns, where there is inside the actual image or illustration of the unicorn, there is dots or there is circles where the child would place the marker in these small circles inside the illustration or around the illustration, and that would be really a fun activity for them to do. Now, because you're creating for 8 to 12, you want it to be a little bit more sophisticated, a little bit more dots in there, a little bit more challenging as well, compared to if you're creating for younger children. So I wouldn't consider anything to do with niching down in this keyword right here, because you do have a beautiful, lovely long tail keyword. You know what the theme is going to be. It's about unicorns. You know what the book is going to be. It's about an actual activity book, and you know what kind of activities to focus on, which is dot markers. So you don't want to include any sort of other activities in there besides dot markers. You know that this is for children, and you know specifically it is for 8 to 12. So you've got all the data that you need just by looking at the keyword. Right now, if you do have any unicorn dot marker activity book, then in your portfolio on Amazon KDP, then I highly recommend you go in and you edit the 7 keyword slots and you insert this keyword as well, so your book can be ranking under this keyword right here. If you have a activity book that revolves around dot markers or has some activities about dot markers and also has some unicorn theme in there as well, so you can take advantage. So let's go have a look at the let's see what there is available in Creative Fabrica by just simply taking that first part of the keyword, adding it right here, and let's have a look at the dot markers available here, if any. So just by scrolling down, we have a dot marker right over there, 23 pages. Now you do want it to be more, and you can go ahead and create your own dot marker as well on Canva. Simple, easy. Just find yourself a commercial free unicorn illustration. You can also access it on Creative Fabrica, upload it to Canva, and then insert manually the dots or the small circles just like these in between the illustration inside wherever it fits as well. This is a great example right here. This one's also beautiful. You can combine these two both together. And if you do not yet have an active Creative Fabrica subscription, highly recommend that you take advantage of the 30-day free trial all access Creative Fabrica subscription linked in the description box below as well. This is an activity book. It does have some sheets in there where there is dot markers, but it is really a combination of different activities. But if you do have a subscription, then you can also take advantage of this one and then use these sheets that are just about the dot markers and insert them, play around, mix and match. These kind of things as well would really be helpful. This is also an activity book that may contain some dot markers. I'd be careful, and I'd also analyze whether it's worth to download, especially when you have the all access. You are limited to 10 downloads, so be careful what you take advantage of during that 30-day free trial. This is a great example right over here, perfect for 8 to 12 years old. This one as well right over there, 5 pages. This one's 23 pages, so you can combine these two together. Also create your own would be really helpful. So the keyword was unicorn dot markers activity book for kids ages 8 to 12. Let's have a look at the second keyword for the day is robot dinosaur coloring book for kids ages 8 to 12. Then again, beautiful metrics right over here. We've got a strong keyword niche scores given by self-publishing titans of 50, which is great. We've got a total results of 381, which is under 1,000, an average bestseller rank of under 300,000, which averages 130,609, which is good to see. An average reviews of 731 and an average price of $7.75. What you're doing here, you're creating a combination of two niches, robots and dinosaurs. You can get creative as you want. You can have a section just for section half of the book for dinosaurs and the other half for robots. You can create some fun, kind of humorous dinosaur coloring sheets with robots in there. Just make, they're two basically opposite themes. Robots are more modern, dinosaurs historic, like ancient or prehistoric. So just be fun, be relaxed, and create a combination of different robot and dinosaur coloring sheets in there for children ages 8 to 12. Then again, 8.5 times 11 inches would be amazing for this book, because it will leave a lot of space for children to have to color in and doodle and write and scribble and all these kind of things that children are usually interested in. It's also not clear whether it's for boys or girls, so it's up to you whether you decide to niche down. I would also ignore the number 4 given by Amazon Scout Pro for this one because it contradicts all this beautiful data that we have here. I'd stick with the 50, and I wish you all the best in your creation process, your uploading process, your formatting process. Let me know if you need any help getting started with creating books, and I will do tutorial videos in the upcoming videos. So stay subscribed to the channel. And all the best. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.